Hi student, Architecture 110. Today we will have a short review for quiz number 3. It's similar with quiz number 1 and number 2, but quiz number 3 is longer, and I have again I have two options for you for solve the problem and sketch. Before we have coloring, but this quiz I need you do for the sketch one by pencil. So now we go with the review for quiz number 3. Similar like last quiz, we have fill in the blank for the first one, and this is some of the review for you can ready for the fill in the blank. AREDD CD CA SD AVACT CAD AIA CCAC ETS NCARB EIP FE NCEES BLS AE NCEES BN lead and RFI. So basically fill in the blank, it look like this. After that we have more than 20 questions for true and false. This is some example from true and false question. You know before, if you think this is right, you can put T right here, it stand for true, and if you think it's not right, you can put F, stand for F for false. So this is some example for the question for true and false. We have more than that. It's around 20 questions for true and false. That's the second one. And the third part is multiple choice question. I have around 30 questions for multiple choice, and it's a few examples for that one. In multiple choice, I have around 15 questions in the textbook. So I give you the the number from the page, and after that you can open the textbook, narrow down the main idea from the question, and you write down for me 2 sentences for multiple choice. This is on of the page. I need you to review first for the answer. I need 2 sentences only for, it's answer like this. You can open the textbook, what the number is, and you focus on the topic I ask you right here. And page number 224, 25, 226, 230, 231, 239, 240, 241, 255, 54. We have more, 260 page, 265, 275, 276, 278, 301, and 306. That's the question on the textbook, so you need to open the textbook, look at the topic right here on the bold letter, and after that you have the answer for 2 sentences. Finally, I have 2 optional solve problem and sketch. Before I have coloring for you 10 points, but this time I give you freedomly to sketch one building by pencil or the charcoal. It depends on you on the any side from the paper. It depends on you. You can use the art paper, you can use the white paper, and use the pencil to sketch on there. Remember, sketch is something you do very fast. Just thinking about the idea and sketch it out. You don't need to do very dimension measuring, or you do the detail from that one. I don't need it. I just need to see your sketch one building you like. The second one, solve the problem. I need you calculate for the parking stall total in the shopping center, and after that you calculate for the accessibility for accessible parking also. So basically you have 2 questions. The first one for calculate for parking stall in the shopping center. After that you figure out how many handicap parking in that area. The way how to solve that I do on before in few lecture in the parking or for environmental design, but I will review that on this Thursday on November 5th. That's the normal time for Pronto. If some people familiar with the Pronto, see me at 6:30 on Thursday for review, and you can ask me about the problem solving. If some people not familiar with the pronto in Canvas. You can open Canvas, and the first column is the blue one. You can use for very bottom one, it's a pronto on Navigator, and you can click on there at 6:30 on Thursday. Every Thursday I meet with students at there with the question, comments, or some of the true life I need to share with the student. So basically you can meet with me on Thursday, every Thursday around 6:30. Okay, so the quiz number 3 will be on November 12th. That means next Thursday, and I will open at 4:30, and after that I close at 8:30. So try the best to do this quiz, and try the best to do the optional for 20 extra point. Quiz number 3 is 100, but if you do extra point, you can get up to 120 for this quiz. Okay, that's all for review quiz number 3. Similar with last quiz you do, and it cover all of the lecture after quiz number 2 until in the end from the quiz number 3. And remember that is chapter 11. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.